क्या आप देश और दुनिया की खबरों से रह जाते हैं बेखबर? तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए हमारे HT न्यूज चैनल को और बेल आइकॉन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
FND जी।
Thank you, Chairman Sahab. I take the opportunity to participate in the discussion on the Telangana Municipality Amendment Bill and Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation Amendment Bill and Telangana Panchayat Raj Amendment Bill. The Panchayat Raj Municipality and GHMC Amendment Bill are interrelated, and apart from repealing the three ordinances issued by the government, these bill contains provision relating to reservation in the rural and urban local bodies and the formation of HEDRA. The provision in both the amendment bill relates to the merge of 51 Gram Panchayat is in nearby municipalities as part of the government plan to expand the Hyderabad urban area up to Outer Ring Road to form the Telangana core urban region. Under the chairmanship of Legislative Affairs Minister, on the recommendation of Cabinet Subcommittee, Ordinance number 1 and 3 were issued on 31st August 2024. Now, the bill has been introduced by the government to replace the ordinance and include some additional provisions. Chevella, Moinabad, Kohir and other are being upgraded into municipalities. Some Gram Panchayat are merged into some municipalities and corporation. Mehbubnagar and Mancherial are upgraded into municipal corporation. We welcome the move to form Chevella, Moinabad, Kohir and other municipalities and to upgrade Mehbubnagar into municipal corporation. The statement of object and reason for Panchayat Raj Amendment Bill says that further it is proposed to establish common urban governance structure for this area. Similarly, the statement of object and reason for Municipalities Amendment Bill point out that the government plan to come up with a suitable administrative structure for the entire region within Outer Ring Road, overlapping ORR and outside ORR areas, which are having a similar urban growth perspective. The statement further add that the objective is have to a suitable administrative structure proportional with the rapid urban growth taking place here. The statement of object and reason for the GHMC Amendment Bill relating the formation of HEDRA. एंडोनमेंट एंड विजिलेंस डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट के ओहदे पर तकर्रुर कब किया गया, हेड्रा का जियो कब इशू किया गया, हेड्रा के जो इशू पर ऑनरेबल कोर्ट में कब ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट में कब चैलेंज किया गया। और मैं ये भी जानना चाहूँगा साहब कि ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट ने अपने जजमेंट में इस बात को वाजे कर दिया कि हेड्रा को कोई स्टेटोरी पावर्स नहीं है, और साथ ही साथ GHMC के एक्ट 374B के तहत ऑनरेबल गवर्नर साहब ने किस तारीख को तरमीम करते हुए ऑर्डिनेंस का ऑर्डर को जारी किया, और ये जो भी डिमोलिशन हेड्रा ने अंजाम दिए 20 जुलाई 2024 से लेकर 30 सितंबर 2024 तक, तो इन कार्रवाइयों को क्या लीगल हैसियत मौजूद थी। मैं आपके ज़रिए से ये भी जानना चाहूँगा साहब कि ऑर्डिनेंस जारी होने से पहले कितने प्रॉपर्टीज़ और स्ट्रक्चर्स को हेड्रा ने डिमोलिश किया। हेड्रा के खिलाफ हाई कोर्ट में कितने केस मौजूद है, पेंडिंग है साहब। क्या ये बात सही नहीं है कि FTL और बफर जोन के जुमरे में कई हुकूमती इमारतें भी इस जुमरे में आती है। क्या ये बात सही नहीं कि GHMC का जो ऑफिस है वो भी इस जुमरे में आता है, और ख़ुद हेड्रा का जो ऑफिस है वो भी इसी जुमरे में आता है। और मैं ये भी कहना चाहूँगा साहब कि हम कुल मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन की जानिब से हम हैड्रा की मुखालिफत करते हैं। और साहब साथ ही साथ I may point out that the statement are made by the Minister of the State Cabinet that the GHMC will be expanded up to the outer ring road. One honorable minister has said that 4 municipal corporation and will be formed in Hyderabad metropolitan region, and another honorable minister has stated that there are 3 municipal corporation. So please clarify in this regard, sir. With this, I conclude. Thank you, sir.
Nenu, I would like to brief and give an explanation to Honorable MLC Effendi garu. Sir, Honorable High Court has already upheld the legality of the Hydra. The same thing many people have questioned and we see seeing in the newspaper, Adhyaksha. Asalu daniki legality ledani. Honorable High Court has upheld the legality of the Hydra, and statutory powers were given under a wide common order dated 12/11/2024. You know, this has been questioned. The legality has been questioned by 37 writ petitions. So we have, when the legality has been upheld, we are going and through GO 99. He asked the next question. GO number 99 under MAUD 19/7/2024. We formed this special agency to protect public properties for disaster mitigation and traffic coordination. It's a specialized agency. Sir, this has been formed. This statutory agency has been formed under GHMC Act, Telangana Municipal Act, both combined together. And I would like to mention here, Adhyaksha, what I'm just going through my statements and my officers, what they have given me the feedback. I shouldn't miss what different ministers' statements. I would have made a statement, my colleague would have made a statement, when they have, somebody would have posed the question, but all our suggestions, all our advices, we have discussed on the floor of the cabinet, and the cabinet has come up with this bill proposition. So there is no confusion about this. How many municipalities will be there? Which are the villages will be merged? This has been discussed at a wide in the cabinet. On the cabinet recommendation, we have proposed this bill, which shall become an act. So there is no confusion in it, and I would like to literally see that hopefully I have given these answers for the Effendi sir. అదేవిధంగా పెద్దలు కోదండరామ్ గారు మాట్లాడుతూ కొత్త మున్సిపాలిటీకి సంబంధించి